I went to the Rubik's Cube World Championship, and this is what it's like. When I just got to the competition, the first event was clock. I didn't do too great in clock because I switched methods right before the competition. My clock average was pretty good, and my second event of the day is Peer Mix.
12 seconds.
Peer Mix was great. I got both my single and average PRs. But now it's day 2 of the competition.
8 seconds. Eight seconds. Nice, it is.
I got a PR average in 2x2 by over a second. So far this competition is going really well. I didn't know the cutoff for 4x4 was 45 seconds, but I did make cutoff in my first solve. In 4x4 I got both my single and average PRs, And I'm happy I made cutoff. And after 4x4, I went to watch some of the finals on the second day of the competition. It's the third day of the competition. My events for today are Scube and 3x3. Let's see if I can make it to the second round in any of these events. I didn't get any PRs in Scube, but maybe I can in 3x3.
Okay, 10-17.
8.
Five.
8.
We are now calling main stages, 3x3, group 5. We are also calling to the side stages, 3x3, group 5. To the side stages, 3x3, group 5.
Well, I did really good in 3x3. But did I even make the second round? Let's see. I didn't make it to the second round in 3x3, but I would have needed a 9-second average to make it to the next round. Maybe in the next World Championships I can. Thanks for watching this video. It was really fun going to the World Championships and seeing everyone. If you enjoyed this video, press the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.